Hey there, it's Tobin with PromptROI. Right now I want to show you how to make a logo and a favicon inside Canva. Most people create square logos which don't translate well on web page headers. A horizontal logo is best for a web page header and a square logo is perfect for your favicon. So let's create two new documents in Canva. The first will be 2200 by 400, which will reduce down to a 220 by 40 logo, and a 1000 by 1000 image for our favicon. Now, I'm not going to talk about the nuances of logo building right now. I want to make two main points here. The first is put a small icon on the left-hand side that represents what you do. Then write the name of your business to the right. You can search in Canva for icons and logos until you find one you love. Then choose the text from the left side and write the name of your business. If you want to include a tagline, go ahead and fit it in below. But you want to end up with something like this. Then download this logo with a transparent background as a PNG. And you could upload it into your PromptROI Marketplace. Next, copy your icon from the logo and paste it into this square image we made. Pull this out to the edges because remember, favicons and browsers show up tiny. You may want to use an element like a circle and put your icon in the middle of it. Then download this as a transparent pang and upload it to PromptROI as your favicon. Now your marketplace is looking sharp with a logo that fits perfectly in the left corner, and a favicon that makes your marketplace recognizable in the top of the browser. Stay tuned for more short videos to help you reach your goals for workplace and financial freedom through the power of AI and PromptROI.